Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches for you on the November Indie Lab polishes. I am really grateful this month that I was again able to swatch every single nail polish in the upcoming November Indie Lab, and this is very similar to Polish Pickup, where the makers are creating polishes based on a theme. November's theme is Steampunk, and I was really excited for this theme in particular. I love anything kind of quirky, and the makers this month did absolutely awesome. So I do have all the nail polishes, and I also have one non-nail polish item to show you today. I hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will link for you everything that I can in the description box. Again, I'm kind of limited with how much I can put in the description portion, but the store will be open November 21st through November 26th, and these polishes will be only available through the Indie Lab. But if you do have any additional questions on any polishes or the store itself, please just leave your comments in the comment section for me. I'm gonna keep this intro really short because we have a lot of nail polishes to go through, and again, as I said, you are getting a really nice selection of different finishes from the makers. I'm really curious to see if there is anything that you will pick up. Continue watching, guys, my swatch portion, and thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.
thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You 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 got me stone cold.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated. 'Cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try. Even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie. Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say you need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no. I
keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.